This natural cough remedy might already be in your kitchen. Struggling with a dry or chesty cough? Before reaching for expensive cough syrups, consider this simple solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a pinch of black pepper. Take this blend once or twice a day. Honey soothes the throat, while black pepper helps break down mucus. Together, they work to relieve coughing naturally and fast. No side effects, no chemicals, just effective results. Plus, it's a remedy that's easy to make. If health tips that actually work are your thing, hit that subscribe button and share this with someone who needs it. Let's spread the word about this kitchen cough cure.